Hey you guys, it's your girl Yamika with Time to Unwind. In today's video, we will be discussing how to open a bottle of wine at home. So you sitting at home, right? You finna watch you a good movie, eat some popcorn, and open you a bottle of wine. But guess what? You can't find a corkscrew. I done got my bottle of wine and my good old glass. Okay, shit, where my corkscrew at? God damn it. I lost my corkscrew. No need to fear. Your girl is here. I got you. No worries. I will basically explain to you different ways on how to open a bottle of wine without a corkscrew. So I would like for you guys to stay to the end. Sit tight. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, welcome back. I know you probably was waiting like, what in the world she could have that I don't have that can open a bottle of wine. So I have 5 different resources that you can use. Actually, the little stuff laying around your house that you actually can use to open a bottle of wine without a corkscrew. Let's jump right into it, you guys. Like I told you, your girl got you. Let's consider using a shoe. We're not talking about a sandal, a flip-flop, or a heel. But if you have a tennis shoe, a loafer, or a men's dress shoe, then you're in luck. Simply treat the wine like a foot. As you guys know, your foot goes inside the shoe in the big part. So you would stand the bottle of wine in the shoe where your foot goes. Then turn the bottle of wine parallel to the ground. And you will begin banging the shoe on a nearby wall as if you're stomping on it. The cork will dislodge due to the pressure and pounding, enabling you to pull it out by hand. This cork removal method doubles as a fun trick. You can basically find yourself opening a bottle of wine even though you got a corkscrew at home just to show off in front of your family and friends. Let's also consider a towel. Maybe you have a towel and not a shoe. Just in case that's your situation, fear not. In similar form to the above method, you're going to use a wall to remove the cork. This time, you're going to wrap the towel around the bottle, including the bottom. Turn the bottle to be parallel with the ground, and with both hands on the bottle, begin firmly banging the bottom of the bottle against the wall. Eventually, the cork will begin to dislodge, and you can then remove it by hand. Doesn't sound hard at all, you guys. Now, like I said, everything is simple as laying around the house. What you guys think about your car keys? The most obvious plan is to use the car key to drive a car, like to go to the store to buy a corkscrew instead of trying to use the car key to open a bottle of wine. But maybe you already been drinking, and we don't want you guys to drink and drive. In that case, use a twisting motion to dislodge the key into the cork. Then, with a firm hold on the neck of the bottle, twist the key while upward. Slowly, the cork should begin to dislodge, freeing the wine inside. So basically, using the key is kind of like using a corkscrew. The key is bigger, but yeah. So another thing, you can actually use a toolbox. You can snag a few basic tools to build your own corkscrew and save the day. Mainly, you will need a screwdriver, a hammer, and a screw for this hat trick. First, use the screwdriver to twist the screw inside the cork. Make sure you leave about a 1/2 inch of screw exposed. Next, exchange the screwdriver for the hammer. Use the claw of the hammer to hook under the screw head and pull the cork right out. That sounds like some home improvement type of stuff, but I'm here for it if I can drink my bottle of wine. And lastly, you guys, what about some scissors? Who would have ever thought to use some scissors? You can take your frustration out on the cork by stabbing one of the shears into the cork. Then, holding the glass neck of the bottle tightly, get a solid grip on the handle of the scissors. Then you simply twist until the cork pops out. Cheers. How hard is that? There you have it in a nutshell. How to open a bottle of wine without a corkscrew. Safety. is first. So you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the content to this video. If you did, like and share. Also, if you want to learn more about One Hope or you want to just shop with your girl, please click the link in the description and shop with your girl. It's comment time, you guys. I would really like to know what type of wine you like. Is it dry, semi-dry, sweet, or whatever? Let your girl know. Until next time, you guys, take some time to unwind.